Hi everybody. I wanted to make a quick video just to show you a new ticketing system called Webhelpdesk by SolarWinds. This company or this video is going to show you the different portals for tech and for customer and the ticketing system that it offers. It's a pretty standard ticketing system. When you open up a ticket, pretty standard information. Give me a second. Gotta try to open this. Could be that I'm under a different user or something. So, okay. So here you see standard form for tickets. You sign it to yourself. You have different views also up here. You have a dashboard for all reporting, your own tickets that are signed to you. Just a list view of all your tickets. You've got a group view and these other different views. You can also search tickets at the end. So basically it's just a pretty standard ticketing system. This also has a calendar where you see due dates, and you'll see other users' calendar schedule as well. Client section here. You can create new clients here, assign resellers or clients. You can set up their user accounts and passwords. You can also set up permissions. You can set up the customer or contact location and company. So for example, if you go here, you go to client 1, for example. We'll call this client 1. And then company essentially is a reseller. We'll assign it to that end, so they'll be able to view anything under that location as a reseller, and then the client or this customer will view that. Here I've created 3 accounts that'll show us how this works: reseller, client, and client 2. So the reseller I've set up as a big company, and then also has things like asset assignments. So customer is under big company, and then the client the customer's name is under the location. Here you can assign different assets, which in this case would be something like the servers and server environments, and we can house all information there regarding the customer's environments. Here we see all sorts of just details that we can add. Other nice thing is the assets section of this system. It will tell you, give you a full list of all the customers and what they have. You can always add a new one, and set it according to location, according to the company, so that the reseller can also do some research on what their customers see. Parts, it's probably going to have some useful features that we can use. The frequently asked questions that we can probably use too. Reports, it just generates simple reports where you can create whatever view depending on the database, and then gives you a PDF or a view down in the bottom. The setup section is an important section. Also the new messaging or messages system. But here, this section, the setup section, allows you to set up emails, company locations, resellers basically, and then in locations the clients, so we can differentiate between them. These are all pre-existing values, so of course we're going to get more than what we'll actually see once we set this up. We've got client options, different things pertaining to the customer portal, and client accounts. We also have assets where you can add new assets, new manufacturers, new products. Basically, Ephesoft and all of our different environments. So that's what we would add here. Then we have automation. You can do action rules here, notifications, different types of things. So it's got a lot of features that we can use. Now let's go ahead and look at the client demo or the customer portal. and I'll show you how the hierarchy works with the views of the tickets and views of the clients from a reseller perspective and from a customer perspective. So here, you have your custom form. This can all be customized, even the layout, logos, and all. Customer has history, so let's log in as the reseller, just so that you see the view that they have in regards to the tickets. Okay, so typical request. Okay, so now you see here we have customer or client 2, client 1, and they're two different tickets. Assets, the company or the reseller will be able to see all of the assets according to the customers, based on client, based on location, different criterias that they set. This one has pre-configured values there for their customers or their location. So, but if you drill down to the client, you'll be able to see everything that they possess. FAQ, the profile, all of that is so that they can manage their own account in regards to the password. Now let's go and log in as a customer. That way you can see the difference from the customer view and the reseller view. So here again, default request. If you go to the history, you only see that single ticket for this customer, client 1. Assets, you'll be able to see based off the location. Client 1 is limited to just that view. If you just empty it out, actually it's down here. If you search, now you'll see all of the environments that they have. So that's pretty much it. That's the overview of this ticketing system. I think we'll have a lot to play with, but it's got a lot of features that we could definitely use. A couple of things about it: I'm still waiting for a response back from the sales team for this company, and then also the other thing is that I don't believe it's a hosted product, so we might be looking at an on-premise solution. That'll be it for